Hi, my name is Isha. I'm in grade 7 at Gale Ranch Middle School. I've been an intern at Incube for about a month now, and it's really amazing. I've learned so many new things with editing and with just social skills in general. I learned how to make a video look nice to a viewer's eyes. I learned how to organize the aspects of a video to make it look amazing. I've learned so many new techniques that I wouldn't have had the opportunity to learn about before. Thank you so much to Satya Garu. Your insight was very helpful. Thank you for training me, and thank you to Incube for this amazing opportunity.